Hey everybody, Slime Makers here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make basic slime. So all you need is a mixing utensil and a mixing cup, container, Elmer's glue, any type of hand lotion or body lotion, and slime activator. Let's get started. After I add the glue, I'm adding like 3 pumps of my lotion. Now give it a really good mix. Now is the time to add your slime activator. Make sure it's only a little bit by a little bit, because if you do too much at a time, it will ruin your slime and it will become flubbery. So when your slime is no longer sticking to the side of your bowl, you can start to knead it in your hands. So after I was done, I decided to put my coloring in it. Coloring is optional. I just used these green markers for March. Okay everybody, that is it for my YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please smash the like button. Let's try to get 500 likes. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!